Okay, so with this side, if you want to do deposit, this is what you do. You click deposit. You click deposit, then you select either MTN or Vodafone. I am going to recharge through MTN, so what I will do is that I will enter the once deposit now. Enter the amount 160. 160. Then click on this. So as soon as I click on this information will do what will appear. So as soon as this information appears, what I need to do is that I have to look at this number. This number is what I am sending the money to. Then the next thing is I have to check the name on it. The name on it is what? Argonaut Ventures. Then we come back to what? Your dialer. You type your *17 As soon as you are done, you get your message from your network provider. Then we come back to, so when you come back like this, you see it this way. Then you check, you need this reference number. So the reference number here is what? The 280091692923. So I will need this. I will copy that. Then I come back to the site. Then enter my transaction ID here. As soon as I click on transaction ID, I do what? I click on deposit. As soon as you click on deposit, you have what? That's payment is what? Successfully received. You wait patiently. Within a short time, your money will be approved. Then you can go ahead to subscribe or buy any package that you. So this is how to invest. So I have 61 50 pesos in it. All that I need to do is that I will come back to invest. So when I come to invest, my balance could only buy black beer. That is what? The plan 1. So I will come down here. Then I click on invest using balance. Then I click on it. I click here 50 cedis. This way, then I tap on invest. So as soon as I tap on invest, you see that is all. Now my balance has now reduced to 11 cedis 50 pesos. So how to invest is very easy and simple to go by. What you need to do is that when your balance is more than 30 cedis, you come back to your platform, you click on withdrawal. When it comes like this, you select your withdrawal method. Is it Vodafone that you want to receive your money through, or MTN? I want it MTN, so I click like this. Then I enter amount. Assuming I have 30 cedis, I will enter the 30 cedis here this way. And now when you come down here, you realize that final amount to withdraw is 33 Ghana cedis. So it means you need to have either 33 or 34 Ghana cedis before your transaction could go through. So when you come down here, email, you type the account number, that's the phone number that you want to receive your money through. Then account information, you type the name on the number that you've entered that the money should be sent through. Then you could leave the additional note. Then you click on withdraw now. Now maximum of 10 minutes, your money should hit your account. Thank you.